Jai Hind. Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Genuine Funda. Today, I am going to discuss some important basic mathematical points like as some example of largest and smallest fraction. Find the largest or greatest one. 2 by 5 and 3 by 7. Solution 7 into 2. This 7 into this 2 equal 14, and 5 into 3. This 5 into this 3 equal 15. 15 greater than 14. Most of the students will mistake here. Therefore, 3 by 7 greater than 2 by 5. Largest or greatest fraction is 3 by 7. Short tricks. Cross multiply fractions by multiplying the denominator of one fraction with the numerator of the other fraction and then comparing the two values. The fraction with the larger value is the larger fraction and a smaller value is the smaller fraction. That is কোনাকুনি গুণ, অর্থাৎ একটি হরের সঙ্গে অপরটির লব গুণ করে গুণফল দুটি ভগ্নাংশ দুটির উপর লেখা এবং যে গুণফলটি বড় হবে সেই সংখ্যাটি বড় এবং যে গুণফলটি ছোট হবে সেই সংখ্যাটি ছোট হবে। Find the smallest one. 5 by 9 and 7 by 11. Solution 11 into 5. This 11 and this 5 equal 55, and 9 into 7. This 9 and this 7 equal 63. 55 less than 63. Most of the students will mistake here. Therefore, 5 by 9 less than 7 by 11. Smallest fraction is 5 by 9. Similarly, find the greatest one. 3 by 5 and 7 by 9. Answer: greatest fraction is 7 by 9. Similarly, find the smallest one. 4 by 7 and 3 by 8. Answer: smallest fraction is 3 by 8. 2 by 3, 1 by 2, 5 by 6, 3 by 4, 6 by 7, 7 by 8 and 4 by 5. Find the largest and smallest fraction. Solution: numerator is smaller than denominator. Numerator 2, denominator 3. 2 is smaller than 3. Numerator 1, denominator 2. 1 is smaller than 2, and so on. So these are proper fraction. Difference between denominator and numerator is 1. That is 3 minus 2 equal 1. 3 minus 2 equal 1. 2 minus 1 equal 1. 2 minus 1 equal 1, and so on. Numerator is greater in fraction is largest, and numerator is smaller in fraction is smallest. Therefore, largest fraction is 7 by 8 and smallest fraction is 1 by 2. 11 by 13, 21 by 23, 15 by 17, 17 by 19, 27 by 29, 19 by 21 and 15 by 17. Find the largest and smallest fraction. Solution: numerator is smaller than denominator. Numerator 11 and denominator 13. 11 is smaller than 13. Numerator 21 and denominator 23. 21 is smaller 23, and so on. So these are proper fraction. Difference between denominator and numerator is 2. That is 13 minus 11 equal to this 13 minus this 11. 23 minus 21 equal to this 23 minus this 21 equal to, and so on. Numerator is greater in fraction is largest, and numerator is smaller in fraction is smallest. Therefore, largest fraction is 27 by 29 and smallest fraction is 11 by 13. (19 by 18, 18 by 17, 21 by 20, 17 by 16, 27 by 28, 29 by 30 and 25 by 26. Find the largest and smallest fraction. Solution: numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator 19, denominator 18. 19 is greater than 18. Numerator 18 and denominator 17. 18 is greater than 17, and so on. So these are improper fraction. Difference between numerator and denominator is 1. That is 19 minus 18 equal 1. This 19 minus this 18. 18 minus 17 equal 1. This 18 minus this 17, and so on. Numerator is smaller in fraction is largest, and numerator is greater in fraction is smallest. Largest fraction 17 by 16 and smallest fraction is 29 by 30. 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 8 by 11, 11 by 17, 21 by 28, 23 by 29 and 25 by 29. Find the largest and smallest fraction. Solution: 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 8 by 11, 11 by 17, 21 by 28, 23 by 29, 25 by 29. Thereafter 3 minus 2. This 3 minus this 2 equal 1. 5 minus 3. This 5 minus this 3 equal 2. 11 minus 8. This 11 minus this 8 equal 3. 17 minus 11. This 17 minus this 11 equal 6. 28 minus 21. This 28 minus this 21 equal 7. 29 minus 23. This 29 minus this 23 equal 6. 29 minus 25. This 29 minus this 25 equal 4. Equal 2 by 11. This 2 by this 1. 2 by 1. 3 by 2. This 3 by this 2. 8 by 3. This 8 by this 3. 11 by 6. This 11 by this 6. 21 by 7. This 21 by this 7. 23 by 6. This 23 by this 6. 25 by 4. This 25 by 4. This 4 equal 2 by 1, that means 2. 3 by 2, that means 1.5. 8 by 3, that means 2.6. 11 by 6, that means 1.8. 21 by 7, that means 3. 23 by 6 is equal 3.8. 25 by 4 is equal 6.2. Largest number is 6.2. This 6.2. So largest fraction is 25 by 29. This 25 by 29. And smallest number is 1.5. This 1.5. So smallest fraction is 3 by 5. This 3 by 5. Similarly, 2 by 5, 5 by 11, 11 by 23, 8 by 17. Find the largest and smallest fraction. Answer: largest fraction is 11 by 23 and smallest fraction is 2 by 5. Similarly, 5 by 7, 4 by 9, 6 by 11, 2 by 5, 3 by 4. Find the largest and smallest fraction. Answer: largest fraction is 6 by 11 and smallest fraction is 2 by 5. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to soft copy of this video, then check the description box and click the link to get PDF file. Next time I will discuss more informative mathematical video. My dear viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also likes, comments and share.